Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a car similar to the Toyota Supra in GTA V. The Dinka Jester Classic is a fantastic sports car, heavily inspired by the iconic Supra. You can acquire this vehicle through the in-game website, Legendary Motorsport. It's a favorite among players for its speed and extensive customization. We'll cover the steps to purchase it and make it your own. To purchase your Dinka Jester Classic, first open your in-game phone and access the internet browser. From there, navigate to the Travel and Transport section. You'll find Legendary Motorsport listed among the vehicle dealerships. Browse their selection until you spot the Jester Classic. Once found, simply select it and proceed to add it to your shopping cart. Once you've purchased your Dinka Jester Classic, head over to any Los Santos custom shop to begin personalizing it. You can significantly enhance its performance by upgrading the engine, brakes, and transmission. Don't forget to explore the wide array of visual customizations, including paint jobs, spoilers, and various wheel designs. Make it truly unique and ready for the streets or the track. The Dinka Jester Classic is a top performer, especially in street races, thanks to its impressive speed and acceleration. Its balanced handling makes it a joy to drive, whether you're competing or just cruising. For added protection, consider investing in armor upgrades at Los Santos Customs. This car is perfect for showing off your style and dominating the roads of Los Santos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.